Go High Level Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate program of Go High Level. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to start creating an account on Go High Level Affiliate Program, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Go High Level, it is an all-in-one marketing and sales automation platform designed primarily for agencies and small businesses, in which it consolidates various marketing tools into a single interface, enabling users to capture leads, nurture them, and close sales efficiently. And the platform features a robust dashboard that provides an overview of lead management and campaign performance, allowing users to track their marketing efforts effectively. And aside from that, Go High Level also supports multi-channel communication, allowing businesses to engage with leads through SMS, email, voicemail, and even Facebook Messenger. And now to start joining to the affiliate program of Go High Level, just go to this footer section, and below just click this affiliate program, then click Become an Affiliate. Then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you in here the overview about the affiliate program that offer by Go High Level, including the commission rate, in which if you scroll down below here, it will show you that High Level pays 40% monthly recurring commission. And aside from that, below here, it will show you some of the benefit of joining to the affiliate program of Go High Level, in which the program is designed to be straightforward, allowing anyone familiar with Go High Level to start earning by sharing their positive experiences. And now from here, to start creating an account on Go High Level affiliate program, you can now proceed by clicking this button or the link in the description below. Then you will be directed on this page right here. And from here, to start creating an account, all you need to do is to simply fill out all of this required information. And it says here that you can join today to get 40% recurring commission for the life of any account you sign up. And after filling out all of this required information, just click the sign up button to proceed. Then you will be directed on this dashboard of Go High Level Affiliate Program. And as you can see here, it will show you your profile that you could also edit, and some other data including the number of referrals, customers, clicks, and unpaid earnings. Then below it will show you again the 40% recurring commission. But it says here that by recruiting affiliates, you can get 5% override commission from their earnings. Moving on from here, you could also start editing your profile, in which all you need to do is simply fill out all this required information to update your profile settings, including some of your details such as your country, phone number, your address, and also to update your social info by entering here or pasting some of your social media account in here. Now moving on below here, going back to the dashboard. And now to start promoting your affiliate program on Go High Level, all you need to do is scroll down until you find the tracker link in here, or your referral link in which you can send directly to your friends and other relatives in here. All you need to do is to simply copy this link if you want to. But as you can see on the left side panel, we have here different guide, which is 9 links to choose from. So from here, it will show you all of your affiliate referral links that you can choose. We have here link for 5-day challenge, but I'm going to choose this 30-day free trial win high level swag. By clicking the select button, we can now proceed by simply copying this link. But to customize this one, just click this customize link button to proceed. Then from here, just change the keyword if you want to. And after that, just proceed by clicking the save button to proceed. And now as you can see, the link has now been customized, and we can now simply copy this. And for instance, if a customer try to click this link, they will be directed on this page, in which they will be able to see that they can also avail the 30-day free trial by clicking this button in here. Now going back in here, if we refresh this page, we'll be able to see the number of clicks that has been added, in which that means that our affiliate or referral links has been working. Now moving on, aside from that, the program includes a clear affiliate policy that outlines the terms and conditions for participation, ensuring compliance and transparency. And by clicking this details option on the top panel, it will show in here the performance details that you could also track, including the day, the number of clicks, sign-ups, customers, and earnings. While under referrals, it will show in here all of your referrals, your lead who have built free trial, who have paid, and even those cancelled their plan. Moving on to the rewards, it will show you your latest commission in here. The status is the amount from customer that has been created. While under sub-affiliates, it will show in here all of your sub-affiliates list. While under payout, it will show in here all of your payout history, including the withdrawal in here. While by clicking this assets option, it will show in here your marketing assets, such as the compliance resources, high-level affiliate, community link, and many more. Now going back on this page right here, by referring or copying this referral link, in which you can distribute this link to various channels such as social media, email newsletters, or directly to clients who may benefit from GoHighLevel services. Or alternatively, you could also create a graphic content like using this canva.com, in which it will show you a variety of templates that you can choose. And if you're looking for free templates, just click these all filters right here on the top panel. Upon clicking this one on the left side panel, just scroll down until you find under this price free. By clicking on it, just click apply button to proceed. Then it will show in here all of the free sign up templates that you can choose from. So basically from here, we can start creating a content such as blog posts or videos that highlight the benefits of the platform and include our referral link. And let's say for instance, I'm going to choose this one and click customize this template to proceed customizing this one. Then we will be able to be directed on this page right here. And now we can start zooming in this template and start customizing the context in here. For instance, instead to want to become a better leader, I'm going to change this text into want to earn money, be an affiliate. And below here under this button, we could also start customizing this one, including to integrate our referral links in here. For instance, at this point, we're going to change this text into sign up now. And from here, you could also change the background if you want to by simply clicking in here and choosing the right palette that you prefer. Let's say I'm going to choose this one. And for the link below here, I'm going to enter here GoHighLevel.com. And now that we start customizing some of the elements of this template, we can now proceed by linking our affiliate link in here. And to do that, kindly highlight this text, for instance, and click this link icon. And on this pop-up window, kindly paste the link of our affiliate link, in which, as you can see in here, we have a variety of links that we can choose from. So all you need to do from here is to simply choose and copy the link and paste it in here. Then click done button to proceed. So as you can see, we have now successfully linked our affiliate link on this graphic design that we just created. So if the customer try to click the sign up now button, they will be directed on this page where they can now start logging in or start the free trial on this platform of GoHighLevel. And also you need to remember that we also need to check regularly our affiliate portal to monitor your referrals and commissions, in which this will help you understand which strategies are working best for you. And by effectively sharing your referral link and engaging with potential customers, you can earn recurring commissions through the GoHighLevel affiliate program. So basically, under this Canva, from here we can now simply download this graphic design that we just created, in which these images, we can use this to post in our social media platform, or even by engaging in online communities, or to start creating a content in here. And by implementing those strategies, you can effectively share your referral link and increase your chances of earning commissions through the GoHighLevel affiliate program. So that is just basically how you can join to the affiliate program of GoHighLevel. Thank you.